Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Kanun Sarvabari and welcome back to another study vlog after a long time. So I was kind of busy in some daily stuffs in my life. So I was not able to record videos, edit videos, or even post videos. So here I am back with my study vlog, and I promise that I am going to stay consistent this time. So, this is the study vlog wherein I woke up around 7 a.m. in the morning, did some setup of my table, my room, my phone, and my desk, and started doing my English assignment that was due for this day. So basically, in this assignment, I had to research about and read about how prolixity in legal writing affects the quality of legal writing. Basically, how it degrades the quality of legal writing, making it very difficult for common men to understand what is written in the judgments, in the court proceedings, and everything related to legal proceedings. It is a well known fact that legal English language, is quite different from regular English language. It has a lot of technical terms. So, after doing this assignment, I drank some fresh made soup, which my grandma made for me. This day was basically spent on researching, writing, and submitting the assignment, and setting up my room and, of course, my table. But in between all this, I also spared some time for meditation. As you guys know that I am into spirituality and I like meditating because it calms my mind, relaxes my body, and makes me energetic to feel motivated to study even harder. After that, I arranged some of my clothes. Actually, arranging clothes seems like a big task to me, and to be honest, I don't do it regularly. But yeah, we should do it regularly. So, now comes the beautiful view of the next morning, wherein I also started Article 19 and did some related case laws that I'm also going to share with you. But before that, I also did some workout because it had been a long time since I didn't worked out. It was a break of approximately 2 to 3 months, and as you can see, my treadmill's condition was also not so good. So I cleaned it first, did some workout, did some cardio related exercises, and made some breakfast, protein rich breakfast, and got started to do my studies. So here I am studying Article 19 of the Indian Constitution in detail. As you already know that Article 19 of the Indian Constitution deals with various protection of freedoms that are granted to the citizens of our country. It is an important point that it is only available to the citizens, like the word citizens is mentioned in Article 19. Moreover, it gives several kinds of freedoms to the individuals, to the citizens, to be more specific, like freedom of speech and expression, freedom to gather an assembly without arms, freedom to form associations, unions, or cooperatives, and freedom to move anywhere in the country, freedom to reside anywhere in the country, freedom to carry on any profession, trade, occupation, and so on. There was also a freedom called right to property under Article 19(1)(f) that was removed by the 44th Constitutional Amendment during the period of Indira Gandhi. As we all know, she passed some important amendments like 42nd Constitutional Amendment, 44th Constitutional Amendment, and so on. There is a list of many. So, today I did the case law called Bijoy Emmanuel versus State of Kerala, 1986. This is basically a landmark judgment related to Article 19(1)(a) that says freedom of speech and expression. It basically lays down an important fundamental principle that freedom of expression also includes freedom to remain silent. So basically, the facts of this case revolved around a point that there were three children in the school of Kerala who were not singing the national anthem during the normal assembly of their school. This led to their expulsion from their Kerala school, and the Kerala government defended the action of the school, citing disrespect to the national anthem. This case then moved to the High Court of Kerala, which ruled in favor of the state. This basically led to an appeal to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court ruled that the freedom to remain silent is a fundamental right under Article 19(1)(a), and these children's fundamental right was also protected by Article 25 that gives the right to freedom of religion. These children basically belonged to a different sect called Jehovah, which prohibited them from participating in rituals which they considered singing the national anthem to be. Therefore, they did not disrespect the national anthem because they were standing quietly, but they were not singing it because their religion or sect did not allow them to do so. Moreover, if I tell you an important and interesting fact about this case, is that if we look into the wording of the language of the Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971, and specifically section 3 in this act, it says that whoever prevents others from singing national anthem, or whoever leads to the disturbing to an assembly during its performance, that person shall be punished for disrespecting the national anthem. But here in this case, they were not doing any of these mentioned activities. They were simply standing, respecting the national anthem, but not singing it. Therefore, the right to remain silent is a fundamental right under 19(1)(a). So that was all about this video. I always have less time to speak, but I have more words to speak. Anyway, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Take care.